Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for m in exponential m equals m square. So let's say solution. We have exponential m equals m square. So from here, let's say let's square root both sides. Square root both sides. And if we do that, we are going to have square root of exponential m equals square root of m square. So, and we know that square root means raised to power of 1 over 2. And let's take this back. We are going to have exponential m raised to power 1 divided by 2, right? So equals these two becomes m square raised to power 1 divided by 2. So let's recall that whenever we have, let's say, x raised to power y raised to power z, this will becomes x. From the law of indices, when number which is raised to a certain power is again raised to another power, the powers are multiplied. So we are going to multiply y and z. So we have y times z, right? So applying this here, we are going to have exponential m times 1 divided by 2 equals also this we have m square multiplied by 1 divided by 2. So from here, if you multiply this, we are going to have exponential m times 1, we have m divided by 2 equals these two becomes m raised to power 2 times 1, we have 2 divided by 2, right? So we have exponential m divided by 2 equals m raised to power 1. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. And we will have exponential m divided by 2. M raised to power 1 will give us m. So from here, we divide both sides by m. Divide both sides by m. And if you do, we are going to get exponential m divided by 2, then we divide it by m, right? Because then we have m here and we divide the side by m. So here we see that we have 1 over m, then exponential m divided by 2 equals this divided by this, m divided by m will give us 1, right? So we have this, right? So now taking the power minus 1 on both sides, taking power minus 1 on both sides. So we are going to have this one will be raised to power minus 1, this one will be raised to power minus 1. So we are going to have 1 divided by m exponential m divided by 2, then we have raised to power minus 1 equals, then here we have 1 raised to power minus 1. So what will this become? We will have, but before that, let's remember that I said earlier that whenever we have x raised to power y raised to power z, this is equals, we have to multiply yz, right? So now we'll have, for this, we are going to have to distribute this minus 1 to this. So we are going to have 1 divided by m raised to power minus 1. Then you multiply it, then we have exponential m divided by 2. Then this 2 raised to power minus 1 equals, so this will becomes, that is negative index will become 1 divided by 1 raised to power 1, right? So we'll have, for this we are going to have 1 divided by m raised to power minus 1 times exponential m divided by 2 raised to power minus 1, and this will become 1. So for this expression, this will become same. So because let's say we have 1 divided by n raised to power minus 1. This is equals to n. Why is this? We have negative index here. We have 1 divided by 1 divided by n. And this will become 1. So then we reciprocate this, change this to times. We have times n divided by 1. This will becomes n. So applying this to this one, so we know that this will becomes m, right? So this will becomes m times we have exponential m divided by 2, right? So times minus 1 times minus 1. This is equals to 1. So if we multiply this, we are going to have m times exponential minus 1 times m divided by 2. We have minus m divided by 2 equals 1. So at this point, it's obvious that we are going to use a Lampant function, so such that the Lampant function of x times exponential x will be equals to what? Equals to x. So this is what we are going to apply. So and now let let's find the power and the base are going to be the same. So that we have x and power of exponent here. So they are going to be, when they are the same, we have the variable here. So now let's multiply to obtain that from here. Let's multiply minus 1 divided by 2 on both sides. Let's say multiply minus 1 divided by 2 on both sides. So we are going to have minus 1 divided by 2 times we have m exponential minus m over 2, like this. So the reason why we multiply with minus 1 over 2 is we want to make sure that what is here and what is here, they are the same. So we're going to have this equals 1 times minus 1 divided by 2. So we have, if you multiply this, we are going to have minus m divided by 2 exponential minus m divided by 2. You can see now equals minus 1 divided by 2. So applying the Lampant function, so we are going to have w, that is Lampant function. We want to introduce Lampant function on both sides. Lampant function of m divided by 2 exponential minus m over 2 equals the Lampant function of minus 1 divided by 2. So this, like I explained earlier, from the above, from here, so our Lampant function of this will becomes minus m divided by 2. This is equal to Lampant function of minus 1 divided by 2. So here, if we multiply both sides by minus 2, we are going to have minus 2 minus m divided by 2 equals minus 2, then Lampant function of minus 1 over 2. So this is equals, this will cancel this. So we have minus 1 times minus m, we have m equals minus 2, then Lampant function of minus 1 over 2. So this is our answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.